So we've got a new feature called scheduling windows, and today I'm going to show you how you can use it to schedule sessions for remote speakers who are in different time zones. Okay, so I've got an event here called QueenCon, and it's taking place in London. I've got a couple of dates here. I've got some speakers who are in various different parts of the world. So I've got Bianca Del Rio, who's East Coast US, Bimini Bon Boulash is in the UK, Courtney Act is in Australia, RuPaul's West Coast states, and the Vivian is in UK. So what I've done is to create some labels for the different kind of time zones. So I've created labels for Australia, UK, US, East Coast and West Coast. And then for each of those labels, I've then created these scheduling windows. So for an example, the Australia one. So we've got a scheduling window here that starts at July the 27th at 9 a.m. and finishes at 11 a.m. And that's the time that I've kind of looked up to find out when that's the best time for Australians to speak at an event in the UK. You can find that if you go to lineup.ninja/tools, and you'll find this little free lookup table. So you can put in your events time zone and your speaker's time zone, and it can tell you the best times. So for Australia, if we put in Sydney, we can see there isn't a perfect time, but at 9 a.m. in our event, it's 6 p.m. in Sydney. So sort of maybe between 9 and 11. It's not too unsociable a time for somebody in Australia. Okay, so back to Lineup Ninja. So we've created this scheduling window from 9 a.m. until 11 a.m. on the first day. We might want to add one for the second day as well. So we can just add that like this. 28th, start time, what do we say, 9 a.m. And it finishes at 11 a.m. Okay, and we don't mind which location it's in at the moment. So just add that time window, and that's now added in here. I've also put this little toggle on here which says require sessions with this label to be scheduled in one of these slots or one of these windows. Okay, so that's the process of setting up a scheduling window. I've created windows for the Australia and the US East and West Coast labels like this. Okay, so and then I've taken those labels and assigned them to my speakers. I've also assigned them to the sessions as well, because the sessions are the bit that actually has the scheduling rule associated with it. So we've got some sessions here. We've got the Vivian's doing this session called China, Bimini Bon Boulash, God Save the Queen, and so on. And you can see I've attached the labels to those sessions. So the reason I'm doing all this is so that when I come to do my scheduling for the sessions, which I do on my agenda planning board, I've got my unscheduled sessions down here. So when I come to schedule my session, so let's say this Not Today Satan, this is Bianca Del Rio's session. So as we drag and drop it onto the agenda planner, it's going to make all these times outside of the window invalid for that session. Basically, we don't want to get Bianca out of bed at 6 in the morning to dial into our show. This is a much more sociable time for her, so we're just going to allow her sessions to run after 2 p.m. And oh no, she better don't. This is Courtney Act's session, so we can drag and drop that one. And the only times we've got here are from 9 to 11, and on the main stage as well. And the reason why it's only letting us do it on the main stage is because that session also has a track associated with it. In this case, it's the music track, and music sessions, if we look at the tracks here, it's going to tell us that music sessions have to happen on the main stage. So by adding these little scheduling rules, like scheduling windows, it allows us to make sure that we don't accidentally put things in a really inconvenient place for our speakers. And once we've built those rules in, we don't need to keep remembering them every time we move a session for a speaker. So it's going to track all of those rules for us. So that's how you can use scheduling windows for that. There are various other ways you can use it, but you can explore that yourselves. Good luck with your event planning.